Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Nagendra Shetty from Ideas Unlimited, Mysore.
I am Dr. Srinivas Murthy. I am Professor of Pediatrics at JSS Medical College, Mysore, and I am representing National Neonatology.
We have developed this NNFI Shishu app for National Neonatology Forum, which will be distributed by NNFI. This is a Swiss Army knife tool with several calculators, charts, drug databases, and scores for neonatology practitioners and anyone who cares for neonates.
Hello everyone, I am extremely pleased to introduce our NNFI Shishu app that we have developed with a lot of hopes that it will help all the people who care for neonates. And this has been very scientifically designed. It has several calculators. We have in fact 26 calculators under 7 categories, followed by there is a lot of information about antibiotics. There is a lot of information about the non-antibiotic drugs that are being used, and very importantly, there are a lot of continuous infusions that we use in neonatal practice, which has been incorporated here. So the important thing is you just need to type in the weight of the baby, and you are going to get almost all the information, which includes how much you have to administer and how frequently you have to do it. Apart from that, we have 7 scores, which includes newer one, which has been just published, and also we have charts. Okay, this is the antibiotic calculator where you can type the weight. You are going to get all the information regarding the drug and how much to use. Let us see an example of fluconazole. You select fluconazole, type the weight, for example 2 kilos, and then press calculate. Done. You can see all the information that is necessary, including what is the requirement. So you can see we have grouped antibiotics into one group and non-antibiotic medications into another group. Let us take an example. It is very similar to the antibiotic calculator. So let us take an example of ibuprofen. So select the drug, type the weight, for example again 2 kilos, and press calculate button, and you get all the information that is needed to administer the drug. In this continuous infusion category, we have 2 subsections. One is to select the drug and find out the administrating dose. Second is how to prepare inotropes. Let us see the first one. Let us select the midazolam and type in the weight and put calculate. It gives all the information that is needed to prepare the fluid and start infusion. In this inotrope calculator, we have to enter 3 information. One is we have to select the drug. Second is we have to put the weight of the child. And then third one is what is the infusion rate that we need. It might be 0.5 ml or 1 ml. And then press calculate. It gives all the information necessary for preparing this drug, and then we can use the other calculator to infuse. So we have a few scores that has been incorporated into this calculator around 7. Let's give you an example of the recently published one, the STRIP score. In this case, you have to just open the calculator, select the zone according to the grammar scale, and then you have to match this stool color of the baby with the given strip, and you can see in the result the predicted bilirubin will be projected. Another example, we use Apgar score a lot. You just need to push that radio button about the clinical condition of the baby, and the score is already there on the result panel. We all know how important it is to track the weight of the babies, particularly. So we have made this interactive calculator where you have to just type the weight of the birth weight of the baby, and you get a reference chart. And subsequent to that, you just need to keep entering the weight of the baby as each day passes, and you can see the observed chart will be superimposed on the reference chart, so that you can always make an idea about how the baby is growing. So the preterm babies need a different bilirubin chart. We have this interactive chart which ranges from 23 weeks onwards up to 34 weeks. All that you need to do is select the gestation and type the bilirubin as you get the values from the lab, and that gives the observed bilirubin chart against the reference chart. So that will be very helpful for us to make decisions. all know how it is important to manage the babies and preparing a TPN in any neonatal areas. All of us have faced this problem. And to solve this problem, we have created this calculator, where you open the DPN calculator, just put the numbers that you have decided on the clinical basis. It could be the GIR, sodium, or potassium, whatever. Then press the calculate button. That will give the recipe about what are the ingredients that has to be mixed. It will be helpful for nurses or clinical pharmacists to prepare the TPN. And following that, you can see a reference chart here.
We have also created one special feature in this where it will generate a label also, which will help make life easier for the neonat practitioners as much as possible. It will generate a printable label which you can share through either Gmail or WhatsApp or anything else you can share on your mobile phone, like typically you share on any other application.
A lot of encouragement from National Neonatology for India. We have created this app and Ideas Unlimited. We sincerely believe this is going to be extremely useful for everyone practicing neonatology. We have taken all the care to make sure that the information is very, very relevant and up to date. In case if there is any suggestions to improve, feel free and we will definitely incorporate in the next